Welcome back to the episode 8 of Special Day Special Stories only on Positivity Around. Definitely, this is a very special day for every Indian as we are entering into the 75th year of Independence Day. But before telling you the special story, जल्दी से मेरे YouTube और Instagram के पेज को सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करो and click on the bell icon as lot of such super exciting real stories and informative episodes are coming up. So yes, on 15th August 1947, India got its freedom, ending an almost 200 years of British rule. It is a day of immense pride for all Indians, as we know the sacrifice made by millions of our freedom fighters, their patriotism which forced the British Empire out of the nation. The struggle, the hardship, the non-violence campaign during the freedom struggle is remembered by entire world. ऐसे कितने हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर थे जिनके विजन को, करेज को और देशभक्ति को देखकर आज भी हम सबको गौरव महसूस होता है. We get so inspired by leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, and so many others. We also have leaders like who strongly believe that a pen is mightier than sword, and they wrote the freedom, like Sarojini Naidu, B.R. Ambedkar, Rabindranath Tagore, Jyotirao Phule, and many more. ये सब के इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन के वजह से ही हुआ है. कुछ लोगों ने लड़कर तो कुछ लोगों ने इनइक्वालिटी और इनजस्टिस के बारे में लिखकर, ये सब के छोटे बड़े सहयोग के वजह से ही आज हमारे देश को आजादी का रास्ता मिला है और आज हम आजाद हुए हैं. But keeping every one of them in mind, how we can use their inspiration in today's time. One of the inspiring attitude every freedom fighter had was selfless attitude. They always kept nation first. So today itself, transform your attitude towards nation first. This will give you a broader vision to think about your profession or about your skills. Today, a small or big habits or behavior is making nation or breaking it. So start thinking about it, as your mindset is going to make your own life as well as it is going to decide the future of India. So yes, this is the time to celebrate our Independence Day, as our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has organized an event called Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This event is to bring all of us together to celebrate the spirit of India, the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So if you like the video, please give a like, share the video and subscribe it. And happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.